Today, you got to eat tandoori chicken with tomato salad. Everyone loves Indian. Here's a healthy, easy and delicious recipe. Let's rock. You might think I've been in a good paddock and I'm talking healthy. How does that work? Here's my story and I thought I should share it with you all. Between 2018 and 2019, I travelled around the world for a year in a trip of a lifetime. It was fabulous. As part of that trip, I did the Camino Santiago, which is an 800-kilometre pilgrimage across Spain. Also an experience of a lifetime. At the start of that walk, which took 6 weeks, I was carrying quite a bit of weight. But over the 6 weeks of the walk, I lost an enormous amount of weight, about 25 kilos. For the rest of my trip around the world, I managed to keep this weight off. But when I returned home, some old traumas from the past conspired and I put on a lot of weight again. Last year in Melbourne, we had a lockdown for 4 months. And again, I put on some more weight. So at the start of this year, 2021, I decided it was time to get healthy. So part of getting healthy is cooking and eating well. And so that began me to starting this YouTube channel, which is focused on healthy, easy, and delicious. I've lost 10 kilos already, but I need to lose a lot more. I hope you'll join me on this journey of healthy eating, easy cooking, and delicious food. So join me on this journey and we'll see how we go. Let's cook.
Here are the ingredients you need. Here are the spices: garam masala, turmeric, smoked paprika, cumin, coriander powder, and chili powder. Add the spices to a cup of plain yogurt, crushed garlic, ginger, add lemon juice, oil, add salt to taste. Stir to combine. Add the thigh pieces and cover thoroughly with the yogurt and spice mixture. Cover the bowl with cling wrap and put in the refrigerator for 6 to 12 hours, or 1 hour at a pinch. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Line the tray with foil and place the chicken on a rack and put in the oven for 20 minutes. Whilst the chicken is in the oven, add a cup of yogurt to a small bowl. Finally chop the mint and add it to the yogurt. Season with salt and pepper. And stir to combine. Then add a light drizzle of olive oil. After 20 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and lightly baste with some of the remaining mixture. Then return to the oven for a further 10 minutes. Core the tomatoes and cut them into eighths and add them to a bowl. Sprinkle the tomato with salt and let it stand for 10 minutes before draining away the liquid. Finally, slice the red onion and add to the tomato. Mix to combine. Dilute a small amount of the yogurt sauce with a little water to make a dressing. Add a small amount of the remaining chopped mint. Again, remove the chicken from the oven and baste it with the remaining yogurt mixture. Give it a slight basting of oil before returning to the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees C. After a total of 40 minutes baking, remove the chicken from the oven. It's a beautiful golden brown. Delicious. Here's the tandoori chicken with all the trimmings: naan bread, tomato salad, yogurt sauce, and mango chutney. How can you go wrong? Yum.
Let's try this tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken. That's delicious. That's delicious. That's delicious. GT says thumbs up. So why not try that recipe and give me a like, click subscribe and ring that bell and leave comments below, especially if there's something you'd like me to cook. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao, ciao, ciao.